Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For you that are new, in today's video my mom is going to be installing these beautiful locks that you see here. I haven't tried any locks, so I'm really pleased with this. So I'm just going to show you the process, easy process by the way, to get these installed. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment as well, and the link to these exact locks can be found in my description bar below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright, hey guys, so my mom is about to prep my hair because I'm about to install the locks that I got from Toyotress. Well, she's about to install them. So she's doing the same method that I did on the previous video and in my other videos, because this is just the easiest and quickest way to get your locks installed. Right, Mom?
Yes.
She likes this method, and right now she's using this Eben 24-hour edge tamer, edge control on the front of my hair so it can have that nice, sleek, fresh look. So we're just going to record the process of her getting my base together, and then we're going to get those crochet locks installed, and we're doing a double color hair look today. so that finishes up today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please let me know by leaving a thumbs up, leaving a comment, all that good stuff. But you guys should definitely try out these locks. They are bomb. They're super easy to install, good quality, all that. Like, I love them. And hopefully these are going to stay in for at least 2 weeks, but you know, we're going to try to max it out to about 3. So yeah, definitely check out these locks. Thanks y'all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.